Hey everyone, here's a 3-ring wedding set 3D model that we have for download. It's been a minute since we posted a downloadable 3D model. Since listing our digital products, we found that no one buyer uses the same program, which is understandable, but on top of that, not everyone uses the same versions. Some want Rhino files instead of Matrix. Some don't understand that Matrix is just a plugin for Rhino and both use the same file format and do the same tasks. In fact, some are still using Rhino 4 and Matrix 6 all these years later. Others are using Autodesk programs or software that we've never even heard of in the industry. And finally, some are using sculpting and animation-based software and need files broken up or saved in certain formats. So we went back to the drawing board and decided to start producing all our pieces using Blender, which will hopefully make things smoother for those who download the model to easily obtain the software, edit, save, or export the models for their purposes. We initially listed our designs as STL files ready for printing, but now understand some would like to be able to make changes to the model if necessary, so we hope by providing the items this way it'll make things more convenient to fit your needs. Now back to the model. As you've seen turning on screen, we have the 3-ring wedding set. The engagement ring has a bezel set center stone along with tapering prong set round diamonds. The center stone measures 6 by 6 millimeters, and the side stones taper from 3.5 millimeter round to 2.25 millimeter round. For the wedding bands, the stones are also prong set, but taper from a 3mm round down to a 2mm round. Next, here we have a screenshot rendering of how the ring will look in yellow gold with diamonds set throughout the ring. And finally, here we have a brief showing of the model in Blender. All 3 rings are separated and each section can easily be adjusted. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see each ring listed in its own collection. You have the engagement ring, the first wedding band, and the second wedding band. Along with that, you also have the backups for the shanks, which can be fully adjusted. For the engagement ring, you have the plain shank on the right and the recessed version on the left. The wedding bands are both the same, and just like the engagement ring, both bands can be fully customized. And lastly, we have all the cutters listed in their own collection. Here's how they are set up with the current model, but feel free to move or adjust them as needed. And that's it for the model. If you'd like to download the piece, use the links below, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're always more than happy to help, and thanks for watching.